Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today we're going to be looking into Aurora plush today. This is the top 20 most expensive plush that is sold on eBay. Uh, Aurora has been around, or Aurora World Inc., that's a mouthful, has been around since 1981. Uh, so it's one of the more recent plush companies that have started up. It hasn't been around for hundreds of years, since like a lot of the other plush companies. They specialize, or more of the most expensive ones are the realistic, like dogs or cats or horses. More of the realistic plush do sell for more, but there's a whole bunch of different plush that I will be showing you in this video. Well, let's get into it and let's go. The first one, this is number 20. This is Hound Dog Ollie Red from Blake Shelton. I don't know what that means. I guess Blake Shelton has some kind of plush made. I don't know. I have no idea. Anybody know what the Ollie Red is? Does he have like a company that works with Aurora to do a dog? Is it having to do with a song or something? Let me know. Anyways, this one sold for $58.31 with $14.75 shipping. So yeah, I I have no idea what Blake Shelton has to do with Aurora, but hey, that's number 20. Let's go to number 19. Jumbo plush. This is a Dalmatian dog, 28 inches long. Like I said, a lot of realistic type animals will be on this top list. But yeah, you can see it's a nice little Dalmatian. Let me show you. See if there's a tag to one of these guys. I can show you one of the tags. But they use the when you get rid of the background, you can see how it's like weird looking. Just because they use the program that gets rid of the background. That's why the plush looks a little weird. Anyways, this one sold as a best offer of $60. So who knows what it sold for. And the shipping is $13.70. So around $60 for this plush. Alright, what's next? On A Broom plush set. A lot of these can go for like $25, even $30 by themselves. I've sold a couple of these for like $30, like the witch and whatever this thing is. This dragon-like creature. On A Broom, I believe, is like a book, and I think they made like a little cartoon. I think it's a short like cartoon on YouTube or something. But yeah, here's I believe the complete set. The person should have got a lot more for this. I think they should have got at least 100, because I've received 30 for her and 30 for her alone, and they only got $60 plus $16 shipping. So I believe they really underpriced this. So keep an eye out for these guys. There's a frog and a dog and a cat and a bird. But there's the tag right there. It says On A Broom right there. It's like a yellow tag. Alright, next one. This is Black Panther. Let's see if I can see his face. They usually have pretty cool eyes. I'm going to show you the face. There's the tag. There's not a straight on face pic. No, I guess that's as close as we get, is this one right here. But their eyes are really usually pretty cool. And they almost look realistic. Anyways, this one sold for $59.99 plus $16.35 shipping. Aurora Baby. A lot of the Aurora Baby items do sell very well, so make sure if you see one to look it up, and make sure to wash it, because it's going to a baby. Now this one says there's a flaw on its ear. I don't know where the flaw is. I don't see it. Maybe there's a close-up of the flaw somewhere. No, there you go. It says Ellie on it, so I guess someone embroidered its ear, so that's the flaw, I guess. But yeah, it's super hard to see. They should have used some kind of a different background to take the picture. Anyways, this one sold for $79.99. The next one, this is an Aurora World chubby pig. His name is Hogwash. Look at this guy. This is a funny looking guy. Really nice detailed on this pig. You see his snout and there's like lines around his nose. Let's see if there's any other good pictures I can show you. Yeah, there's his butt. There's a little chubby tail. Aurora has several different tags. This is the colorful tag it has. You can see the different colors on it. And Aurora has several different tags. It says spam on his chest or on his neck. Anyways, this one sold for $69.99 plus $10.90 shipping. Yeah, it does say spam. It says it in the title. The next one is an Aurora White Siberian Husky. I like to put dog and wolf whenever I'm listing a husky. A lot of huskies do very well for very good prices, so it doesn't matter if it's Aurora, Wild Republic. Make sure you look up the huskies because there's a lot of good money in huskies, especially decent sized ones. Check his face. Look at the face on this guy. Really nice detailed face. Look at the eyes. It's like a really like glittery or shiny eyes, and he's got a funny looking nose. Where's the tag? There's the tag. So like I said, there's a bunch of different Aurora tags out there, so keep your eye out. This guy sold for $85. This is Super Garth. I don't know what that means. I guess that's the dog's name. There's only this one picture. That's all we get. Looks like his eyes are like sewn, so this one's made for like a baby. Yeah, I don't know what Super Garth is. He is 26 inches long, so he's a pretty long puppy. And he sold for $85.89. So go out and find Super Garth. Another one. This is a large plush horse. Horses do very well too. Especially like the different colored horses, the brown ones with the white face. Those seem to do a lot better than just the all black ones or the all brown ones. Yeah, those seem to sell a lot higher. And you can see the detail like in this nostril and the paws, how they like shine a little bit. And that's how long he is. He's pretty long for a horse. He's 28 inches long. He sold for best offer $35.99 plus $59.15 shipping. I'm sure that's not even close to what they paid on shipping. And here's another different tag from Aurora. Like I said, Aurora does a lot of different tags, so keep your eye out. Large yellow lab. This is PBS. So I guess it's from a PBS. Yeah, there's a PBS tag right on his ear. So I don't know if it's like a cartoon on PBS or what's this yellow lab from. But anyways, it is 30 inches long from Aurora World, and it sold for $30 plus $66.94 shipping. So almost $100 for this just generic yellow lab. Next one. This animal or whatever this thing has become super popular. It's called an Okapi. Okapi. Don't know how to pronounce it. Not sure what it really is. A zebra horse. Whatever this thing is. I should probably look to see what this guy is from. Because this one is super popular now. See, really cool face on this. Yeah, not popular. Like I said, not sure where it's from, but this is a big one. This is 26 inches long. It's new with tags, and it sold for $89.95 plus $12.95 shipping. But yeah, not sure what this animal is from, but yeah, it's really super cool. Vintage Aurora Leopard. This is big monster. He is 28 inches long. He's got a real nice face. Let's see if there's a... There you go. There's a close-up of the face. You can see the eyes of the leopard. Really cool. Aurora usually does very nice looking eyes. There's the nose. So there's a lot of nice detail on some of these bigger Aurora plush. That's why they're so wanted, and the prices go crazy. Can't see the tag. Anyways, he sold for $79 plus $24.73 shipping. Alright, next one. Oh, this one's really cool. This is Tasty Peach Studios 7-inch, so he's super small. He is a zombie meowchi. So I guess I gotta get one of these to put around here, right? You see he's a really angry cat with a bite taken out of his butt. Someone bit his butt. It looks like he has like a sewn on ear. Look at his face. He is super angry. He's gonna bite you. Well, I guess because someone bit him, so he's gonna bite you back. But yeah, really nice little, there's the tag on it. If someone wants to check it out, find one for me. Anyways, he sold for $100 and $4.50 shipping. Plim Plim Plush and Friends. This one I am not sure of. I know I've heard of Plim Plim. I think it was like a Spanish like cartoon or something like that. But anyways, I want to show you all these different characters to look out for, because I know each one of them can sell for like 25 on up, some even more. There's like a bear, there's a clown here, a pig, some kind of weird banana looking bird. I don't know, I guess that's an orange elephant, chipmunk, a cat, and a giraffe. And there's some kind of like car or bus or something. Anyways, the whole set sold for $90 plus $23.21. So keep your eye out for all these different characters. Like I said, you should probably get at least $30 per character. Fungi Friends. This is a Fungi Friends mushroom. I don't know what these guys are. They're funny looking. They look like the top of like a weird mop. So yeah, they are funny looking mushroom creatures. There's blue, purple, and brown or orange, orange, brown, whatever. This set of 3 sold for $102.50 with $11.08 shipping. Alright, next one. This is Hippo. This is a limited edition jumbo Hippo. Huge, 28 inches. Look at its face. Look at that. It's got some funny looking nostrils sticking out. And look at the eyes. They're like bulging out of her skull. Really cute hippo. Looks like the tag was written on. So tag damage on it. Yeah. Really cool little hippo. Even with the tag damage, it sold for $120. Alright, we are getting to the top ones. Aurora Green Alligator Crocodile. Always when you have an alligator or crocodile, put both in the title. That is always. This one's approximately 40 inches long, so really big one. With something like this, I would put a pillow in the title just because it's a big fluffy pillow, really. But yeah, look at his eyes. Really cool eyes on him. Man, they need some lighting. When they sell things, they really need some lighting. There's his belly right there. And there's the Aurora tag. Anyways, this one sold for $31.99 plus $88.61 shipping. But yeah, this person really needs to get some lighting on their plush. Alright, we're on the top 3 now. Aurora Sea Lion. This is a large 30-inch sea lion. This one doesn't have the whiskers. The ones I remember have like little white like strings coming out. So I guess this is a different version of the sea lion that I'm used to. You can see straight on his face. Really cool face. Trying to give, and there's the tag again. So he sold for best offer of $48.99 with $135.90 shipping. I don't know where these people get their shipping prices from. Whatever. Alright, what next? This is a Cartier, if I could say it. Cartier watch, or not watch, but plush leopard holding red box. So I guess it doesn't come with the watch, but it's probably a limited edition like leopard holding a box. So there's the Cartier. I'm not going to keep saying it. There's the tag right there. And there's the cool box that it comes with. So really nice. It still has the tags on it. 2 sold at $200. So nice find on those. Alright, and the number 1 is an Aurora Husky Gray plush. Talked about Huskies already. This one is one of the most sought after plush out there. This is an Aurora Husky Gray. Really fluffy, really soft. One of the, like I said, one of the most wanted plush out there. He is 28 inches long. There's the tag, so you can look out for him. But yeah, Huskies, like I said, Huskies can get some good money on them. There was a bigger cat that was in the top 20, but the pictures weren't there, so I did not show it to you because there was no picture. So, but it was a gray big cat. So when you're looking at Aurora, just make sure when you find the big ones, make sure you look them up. They can be worth some good money. I believe the cat was worth around $150. It was a gray cat. So, like I said, it kept giving me an error. There was no pictures, so I didn't put it in the top. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up, and if there's a brand that you want me to do next week, let me know in the comments. Alright, take care everybody. Bye.